This video will demonstrate how handwritten documents, including checkbox information, can be easily sent to SharePoint. To do this, I have created a desktop automation driver workflow using an Azure Form Recognizer model as the configured OCR engine. When I submit a document to the desktop automation driver, the workflow sends the document to the configured SharePoint library. The workflow also uses the handwritten information from the document to populate SharePoint indexes. Many times, handwritten documents contain sloppy or hard-to-read text. The desktop automation driver accounts for this by prompting the user to validate any field that has an OCR confidence level below 90%. This feature ensures that all information sent to SharePoint is always accurate. For this document, I have now fixed all incorrect fields. When I hit OK, my corrected fields will be sent to SharePoint with the rest of the information from the document. The ability to efficiently send documents to SharePoint, together with the ability to accurately capture handwritten text, makes the desktop automation driver in Azure Form Recognizer combination an ideal system for processing documents.